how to delete avatar in Duolingo. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Take It Simple. In this tutorial video, I am going to show you easy steps on how you can delete your old avatar in Duolingo. Now let's get started. Open your Duolingo application and tap on your profile head. Now again, click on the gear-shaped icon in the upper right corner. That will bring you to the profile info of your Duolingo application. Now tap on Change Avatar and change your avatar as you wish. After changing your avatar, tap on the Done button in the upper right corner. Now again click on Save button, and this is how easily you can delete your old avatar and set up a new avatar for your Duolingo application. I hope you enjoyed this video and is able to delete your old avatar and set up a new. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative contents. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.